it off at the breaker. With these, you pull down on the lever right here and then tip the deal forward. Just grab it with my pliers, pull it down and forward, once on each side. So today I need to replace a motor, and I'm going to be taking the motor from here. The way to get into this, it says a few screws. I got a few things. This one's just been sitting in storage, so got a few things inside here. Well, it won't really matter. Anyway, what we have is on the front, there's 2 bolts that hold this on. On each side. Okay. And then on the top, what we need to do is make enough room so I can pull the drum inside out. So up top, there's 3 screws there. I'm going to get those out. Right there. One, 2. 3. This will just allow us to move the side panel over a little bit so that I can get the motor out. Now we'll be lifting the front off. Sometimes you got to kind of push up on the inner bit. And it lifts forward, and then you can lift it up and lift it off. And you need to disconnect the door switch, which is right. Okay. Now we need to pull the deal out. There's one smaller screw. Right in the center back here. It's kind of recessed down there, so it's a little harder to see. But it's right here. And down here, we'll need to detach the motor pulley, the cable here. Pull the pulley over, and then you can slip the band off. Okay. Now we can take out the inner portion, the drum. Just pushing over a little bit. That's the inner drum. Okay. And now we've got our motor here. And I'm definitely going to need to vacuum that out once I get it off. There's a couple tricky parts on the motor. One is back here, the motor spins the blower right back there. See the little square shaft? What we'll need to do is grab that with a pair of channel locks so that we'll be able to turn the motor off of the off of the fan blower, off the blower there. Okay. The other thing we have is we've got our wiring harness, and we've got some mounts that hold the along here. Some clips that lock it in. Right here, what you do is you take your flat blade screwdriver and bend it back towards it, down, and then let it spring up. See how it's like a little horseshoe clamp. And the same on the back. Same exact thing back there. Push down into the side. There we go. And then is our wiring harness. We'll need to slip this off of both sides. Far sides definitely tricky. So you can kind of at the same time pulling the motor out. And there's the quick connect. That disconnected the motor. So now our motor's free except for the blower back there. So for the blower portion, what we're going to want to do is take a pair of vice grips. And this is so it doesn't fall back in the cavity. I'm not too worried about it on this one. I'm more worried about it on the one I'll be connecting it to when I'm replacing it. But I'll show you here. That'll keep the blower from spinning and allow us to turn out the front part with channel locks. We've got our vice grips back there holding it, and now we'll spin out our motor right here. With our channel locks. And this one is counterclockwise, so it's going to loosen it up. Now we're turning it off. So it's reverse threaded. Okay. And of course that's the important part to know, that and understand that because it's reverse threaded, you're going to need to turn it the opposite way than you would expect. There we go. There's our motor. Ready for a new install.